National Weather Service in Norman. Condition tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast of El Reno. Estimates of the tornado will be reached at 40 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency. Take immediate tornado precautions.